Trust is a fundamental element in helping grow the new relationship. In order for the relationship to heal and hopefully to end up better than ever before through the soul-searching and increase of self-disclosure, a fundamental element is going to be trust. Presumably, trust has been damaged through the affair, and one partner is going to be asking themselves whether they can ever trust their partner again. Rebuilding trust is not easy and can be easily damaged again in the following months or years while it's still fragile. And rebuilding a relationship after an affair is not something that happens fast or in a straightforward way. It's liable to move in fits and starts, and it takes time as both of you learn new skills of communication. Remember, without forgiveness, nothing much can happen. The one who did not stray needs to have a shed load of desire to make things heal, and the capacity and the maturity to not dwell on the hurt, nor allow resentment to fester. I know this is a big ask, but without this degree of openness, the relationship will remain wounded. They say that forgiveness is the greatest gift to yourself, because by forgiving, you allow the resentment and anger that builds up after a betrayal to be let go. Without forgiveness, it's almost impossible to accept what's happened. If you can hear your partner say, "I own that, I hurt you, and I am sorry," and to know that comes from an authentic place, then the work can begin. It would be normal to have doubts. It would be reasonable to ask whether this is ever going to happen again. And indeed, if it does happen again, every time it happens, the ability of the one who did not stray to forgive and forget and to trust again becomes harder and harder. Because you have been deeply hurt, it would be normal to be reluctant to become vulnerable and trusting again with that person. And some people say, "I'm sorry," easily and regularly, expecting those words to let them off the hook. They may not be sorry, and they may know that they will do it again, but it's easy for them to say they're sorry and to avoid a painful admission of fault and acceptance of blame and responsibility. So a good conversation between you needs to come from a deeply sincere place and be earnest in its intention. It's so complex and it differs so much from couple to couple that it's hard to give hard and fast rules or guidelines. But asking yourself, what do you really want from this relationship? Do you want this relationship or not? Whether you're prepared to forgive or not, that's the best start. Let's look at how your childhood experience can impact on how you deal with betrayal in your adult relationships.